Are you ready to be the change our world desperately needs? We stand at a crossroads. The Earth, our home, is calling out to us. It's a plea for care, for respect, for a future where life thrives. Every breath we take, every drop of water we drink, every morsel of food we eat is a gift from this magnificent planet. Yet, we've been careless, taking its bounty for granted. It's time to awaken our consciousness, to realize that our actions have consequences, not just for us, but for generations to come. Let's become stewards of our environment, protectors of its delicate balance. Small steps can lead to giant leaps, from reducing our carbon footprint to conserving water, from recycling to planting trees. Every effort counts. Imagine a world filled with clean air, pure water, and lush forests. A world where animals roam freely and biodiversity flourishes. This is not a dream, it's a possibility. We have the power to create this reality. Let's inspire others with our passion. Let's be the catalysts for change. Together, we can build a sustainable future where humanity and nature coexist in harmony. Are you with us? Let's make every day Earth Day. What small step will you take today to protect our planet? Share your commitment in the comments below.